What if you could eliminate 1,500 roof penetrations per crew every year and eliminate 11,000 feet of rail per crew every year? That's 1,500 fewer attachments to install or 1,500 fewer roof penetrations to seal for each of your crews. 11,000 fewer feet of rail to ship, warehouse, and haul up the roof. What would you do with such a huge productivity gain? Hi, I'm Kai, CEO of Pegasus. You can transform your business with a single new part that requires virtually no learning curve. Introducing Pegasus SkipRail.
It's a complete game changer.
Think of it as a performance boost to the Pegasus system you already use. With just one SKU and a simple adjustment, SkipRail supercharges your productivity.
It's so much better.
SkipRail allows you to install faster, reduce materials, and cut costs, and with less work and virtually no training.
It's a massive improvement over everything that we've tried, and we've tried a lot.
Traditional rail installations use 2 rows of rail per row of panels. Instead, the SkipRail Clamp structurally connects rows of panels in one simple step. SkipRail eliminates rows 3, 5, 7, and so on, including all of the roof penetrations, mounts, rails, and clamps. That's right, entire rows of rails, clamps, and mounts are completely eliminated. The result is a dramatically faster and lower cost installation using fewer materials and less work. 17% fewer roof attachments and 32% fewer rails and clamps. 19% fewer roof attachments and 32% fewer rails and clamps. 21% fewer roof attachments and 31% fewer rails and clamps. All from just one SKU and a simple adjustment. With SkipRail, your crews use the same rail system and installation concept they already know. That's why there's virtually no learning curve. Simply lay out the array exactly as a traditional rail system. Then skip installing rows 3, 5, 7, and so on. Since the upper rail remains for each row of panels, you still get all the benefits of Pegasus Rail open channel lifetime wire management. An added bonus, the SkipRail Clamp aligns panel rows flush, eliminating the annoying step of laying on the roof to loosen a rail and manually adjust the height at the end of a tiring day. SkipRail works on any type of roof. Use it with InstaFlash for comp roofs, with scissor mount for tile roofs, or with metal mounts for metal roofs. And it's flexible to handle complex layouts without issue, even those unexpected pipe vents. SkipRail is rated for 160 mph winds and 40 pounds per square foot of snow, so you can use it in most of the country. In areas with higher loads, simply use the traditional Pegasus dual rail installation method. It's the same bill of materials. You effectively have one system that works for any installation in the entire country. Installing in the mountains? Use dual rail configuration. Installing in the valley? Add SkipRail Clamp and instantly cost optimize your business. That's the superpower of SkipRail. Instantly simplify operations and improve profitability with just one part. That's a better day on the job.